Today I'm putting a battery in a 2011 BMW 3 Series. Just making a quick video talking about replacing the battery on one of these. This is E90, any of the after the E46, any of this style BMW 3 Series here. When you're replacing the battery at home, especially if you don't have a scan tool that allows you to program the battery into the car, the amp hour rating on the battery, it's best to just stick with whatever battery came out of the car, because that has been programmed to the car. It actually has like a energy management control module, battery control module, and it needs to know the amp hour rating of the battery, so it can then charge and do everything correctly and feed the correct the modules need it to. These are very voltage sensitive cars. For some reason these have problems with the footwell modules. If even jump starting them and stuff like that sometimes is risky. You can cook that module. Like this one, for instance, it came in, guy jump started it, had a bad battery. The battery was wrong anyways. It was programmed into the car incorrectly, and now the windows don't work, the lights don't work. I can't talk to the footwell control module. It's a pretty common problem on these, but it seems to always be a voltage sensitive thing. So if you're replacing a battery at home, just stick with whatever battery comes out. Look at the amp hour rating and just make sure the battery you're replacing it with has the same amp hour rating, and you can get away with that until it's programmed. The rest of the programming is pretty much just inputting the date, and it's not as vital as the amp hour. So that's the most important thing. Just try to put the same battery back in. Thanks for watching.